Today we are going to be creating 30 pieces of content, and these can be placed over LinkedIn, Facebook, or Instagram. We're going to start off in Canva, and we're just going to be using the bulk create. So I asked ChatGPT to create me 30 tips for my niche's relocation. So I asked it for 30 tips on relocating to my market. And so here's the title, 30 tips to relocate. And then these are going to be the different researches. And then it also gave me some text to go with it, some tips to add inside. So this was basically the topic. And I designed this little picture. I like the magazine look. I just like this vintage look. So I created that background, but you can do it however you want. Just stick to the same colors and fonts as you would with your brand. The first thing I'm going to do is head over to the apps. It's right here. For me, but if you want to go to the apps and type it in, you can find it that way. You can also scroll down if you don't see it, bulk create here. So I'm going to enter the data manually, and in this section, this is going to be basically the title of the slide, and then this one is going to be just the 30 days text. And I'm going to copy and paste that in here real quick. This might be easier in a spreadsheet, but for me, this is just going to work. So now that that's all set up, then you're going to go ahead and link these up to connect data. So this is going to be the 30 actual tips. And then this part is just going to be 30 days. So now I'm going to hit continue, and it's going to generate 30 designs, and it's going to take a second. So now I've got all of my tips. Some of these need to be cleaned up a little bit, but it's a lot easier when you just copy and paste from ChatGPT. And then you just upload and schedule these. You can knock these out and just schedule, use the platform scheduler. I'm going to test and see which ones get more engagement from the Go High Level platform, which if you are interested in using that for your real estate, then I'll link that below, but I will be sharing tips and everything with, more tutorials going forward to show you how to use High Level for real estate. Again, the link is in the description below. But if you want to do it all within one platform in the social planner within High Level, then that is a huge benefit, and it's efficient. And you can also use AI inside of High Level, which will be on the next video. So make sure you are subscribed.